Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 391st part of explanation of my theory. All atomic spectral lines, deterministic codes are hidden behind of ionization energies of atoms. For instance, here helium, first ionization energy and single ionization energy for hydrogen. For helium, first ionization energy, second ionization energy. For lithium, first, second, third ionization energy. So on and so forth. And each ionization energy in an atom corresponds different wavelength electron motion form that bound proton. Everything is deterministic. As I told you and explained you before, nitrogen, helium, neon, oxygen, carbon, helium, etc. I have fully predicted and I have compared these predictions that I computed according to my formulas with NIST data compatible with. And NIST data are strong evidences that my theory is true. On contrary to accepted physics theories, electrons are not point particle, dimensionless particle. Electrons are three-dimensional particles. Not particles, motion forms, I'm so sorry. Proton-bound electron motion forms. Each ionization energy is different, and each ionization energy in fact is ground state energy, and in this state electron motion form, it's not excited cycle. Cycling is going on. It has with a certain wavelength, corresponding ionization energy, certain radius, certain wavelength, and here there is certainty. Okay. When these proton-bound, different size electron motion forms, each one bound only single proton in an atom, in a multi-electron atom. And each have different ionization or ground state energy, and each one has different wavelength. Okay? Then, when a free electron motion forms consecutive waves affect these ground state ionization energy with this energy unexcited proton-bound electron motion forms at the rate of effective consecutive wave number T. Okay. And large. And at the rate of, when they vanish, at the rate of consecutive decreasing waves of free electron motion form, each proton-bound electron motion form shrinks again through ground state. Then, between the two places, while shrinking, each electron motion form push out a single wave pulse. And I have formulated this and I have shown you before, but in next video I will show this again. And each ionization energy with different ionization energy, for instance, 9 electron atom, 9th or 8th or 7th or 6th ionization energy corresponding wavelength. And if we know these, of course we know where is electron motion form in an atom at a certain place, because intertwined, each electron intertwined with a proton. And shrinking and enlarging and shrinking at a certain number, wave number, we know that, so we can predict, and I have predicted all spectral lines of, for instance, neon atom. 9th, especially 9th and 10th electrons, writings, spectral lines, mot à mot. So the same results, my predictions and NIST data. There is deterministic way that I put forth, and I will explain next in detail my formula and application about this. Okay? Have a good afternoon. See you later.